Welcome to BPS Access Solutions video on the HomeMaster DIY Scaffold Tower. Here you can see us assembling the 5-meter working height. This particular tower holds many unique features, including color-coded braces for easy identification and ergonomically designed ground spikes to provide superior stability. In addition, the 2 tilt and glide wheels allow you to easily move the tower into position. The HomeMaster is super quick to erect, and to start the whole process off, it is important to connect the bottom horizontal and diagonal bars together. This allows for you to connect the 2 sides together with minimal effort. All our braces are tightened using a wing nut system, meaning there's no need to source any additional tools to build this tower. A lot of other alternatives on the market are unnecessarily complicated to set up, making the build time considerably longer. We provide a set of easy to follow instructions, helping you with the process. Once the base section is assembled, you can begin to build the tower up to the required height. Slot in the tapered frames and secure using the spring locking pins provided. The pins are attached to the frame by a lanyard, meaning they won't get lost. A handy tip is to pre-attach the horizontal and diagonal braces to the frames prior to fitting the top section. This saves time and allows you to comfortably attach all brace bars without overreaching or climbing the tower. Once you have connected the 2 remaining blue diagonal braces, you can put the platform in place. The hard-wearing non-slip platform is made from marine plywood, so is extremely weather resistant. In addition to this, the platform boasts a huge 150 kg weight rating, meaning it is extremely strong, and also has a self-closing trapdoor for your safety. The platform has 4 J-bolts, which hook underneath the frame rungs and are tightened using wing nuts. Now that the platform is in place, you can climb up the tower through the trapdoor and proceed to connect the red horizontal handrails at the top of the tower. We recommend this is done while sitting on the platform, as this is the safest way to do it and ensures you aren't standing on an unguarded platform. With all components secured in place, you can now step onto the platform and are able to safely get on with the job at hand. With the 4 and 5 meter sizes, we offer the option to buy a set of 2 or 4 fixed outriggers. These increase the stability of the tower and are recommended when using outside. Like with the braces and platform, they are also secured using a wing nut and bolt, simply clamping onto the side of the tower. With the 6 and 7 meter sizes, 4 telescopic outriggers are included within the price, ensuring a solid and stable tower at any height. The HomeMaster DIY Scaffold Tower can be supplied in either 4, 5, 6 or 7 meter working heights, meaning it is suitable for almost any application around your home. Here you can see the 7 meter model in action, which provides great access to those out of reach areas. For more details, please check out the product description tab on our webpage. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to your order.